Hey everybody, in this video I'll be giving you an overview of the display on the AT450. On the main screen for the Kubota configuration, the display shows the coolant temperature, tachometer, fuel level, as well as the hours on the machine. For the Briggs configuration, the coolant temperature gauge is swapped for a battery voltage gauge. The Briggs also has a check engine light here. The engine light requires a diagnostic interface cable in order to connect to a service PC and read the code. This is the battery discharge light. It will turn on when the electrical charging system is not working. This is the engine coolant temperature light. It will turn on when the engine coolant temperature is too high. This is the engine oil pressure light. It will turn on when the engine oil pressure is too low. This is the PTO light. It will turn on when the PTO clutch is engaged. This is the parking brake light. It will turn on when the parking brake is engaged. This is the preheat light. This is for diesel engines and will turn on at the start of the preheat process, then off at the end of it. Using the outside buttons, you are able to cycle through the different screens. These screens show the system information as well as the display brightness. While on the brightness screen, you can either click or hold the inner buttons to adjust the brightness up and down.